Hey guys, Bono's here, about to introduce you to our very first project. This is a 1996 Toyota Camry. It is pretty rough indeed. The got the gas door here. Yep, that's missing. What else we got in case here? Let's see. Toyota Camry. Now, it is the V6 XLE, which is the top trim level below the gold package. So back in '96, they actually had these where the badges were gold. You can only get them in certain colors. Like there was a tan color, I think it's silver. This one's some kind of blue. But the badges were actually plated in gold. They were pretty common back in the day for them to get stolen off of cars. So, paint's pretty chewed up. I mean, it looks okay. Let's have a look at the interior. And this is exactly how I got it. So, as you can tell, all leather seats. Beautiful. That is a custom, one-of-a-kind, foam, kind of gross feeling. Steering wheel cover. The dashboard is actually in really good shape. There's no cracks, it's still pretty pliable. Glove box is, well, remarkably clean. Can't say the same for the floorboards or the seats. The seats, yeah, they're typical 1996 leather. It's pretty well chewed up. Here's a whole pile of crap in the floorboard, or I'm sorry, the floorboard, the driver's seat, which is pretty tore up as well. Hey, look! Wait, I found $5. Let's see, but yeah, that seat, pretty rough shape. The back seat's actually pretty good. The interior is actually in fairly good shape. I'm actually surprised. No droop in the headliner, which was a common problem in the mid to late 90s. Look at that, boys. New car scent. Right. Well, looks like the very first thing we got to do is at least get this thing cleaned up. Alright folks, here we are again. So it's all cleaned up now. I mean, looks substantially better. Well, I mean, I guess I could have did that beforehand. It looks a lot better than it did. It's amazing what just a quick little bath will do. Let's see, all this thing was full of junk. Now, still, I mean, a little dirty, but now, oh yeah. Remember how I said the paint was pretty chewed up? No, apparently, no. It was just really dirty. But all that came off the bumper. Well, I thought the paint, I mean, the paint is fading off, but it's a 96. This is the original paint, to the best of my knowledge. It's just really dirty. Now, I'm not gonna lie, there was some collateral damage. So, on the center cap there, that little pressure washer took every bit of that off there. I have something to do with the wheels and that center cap later. It's really not that big a deal right now. There's a little bit of paint on the mirror. It's again from the pressure washer. Same deal with the front wheel here. And then along the front bumper, flaked off a little bit of paint here and here. All around here. So that hole in the blinker, that was already there. Now I didn't make it any better, but it was already there. So all in all, that's it. We're gonna get the Tacoma over here and put the cables on it, See if we can't make this thing run. Okay, so I was gonna get the Tacoma over here and jump this thing off, but I forgot one crucial problem. Yeah, it's just as full of crap as it was a minute ago. So the handle's broke, so we'll open it from the inside. Oh yeah. So we'll have to go around and clean the inside of this thing out. Yeah. So that's the way I figure we'll do it. If Toyota didn't bolt it in here, it's coming out. Now, one thing we haven't looked at, what is in the trunk? Okay, well that explains probably the 2-inch droop in the suspension. Oh Lord, here we go. All right, well, it's a lot better. We got all the trash out, all the clothes, a remarkable amount of clothes. We did have to do away with the custom steering wheel cover. It was sticky, which was surprising for something that was that, I guess, made of foam. Not really sure. Oh yeah, the door. And look at the back. Look. Free bottle of Windex. That's practically new. Like, boom, free. There's so many pairs of earrings. Yeah, that's very gross. But look at this, boys. There's a gold mine of loose change. We will get that out of there, count it, and figure out exactly how much money we made on this job. Now, the most important part. We were here a minute ago. Ready? This thing is a huge trunk. So, now for the important part. We gotta figure out how to make this turd run. Alright folks, so some time has passed. We used the Tacoma here to jump off the Camry. So I let it run for a little while, actually for a pretty good long while. So the battery should be good and charged. So we're gonna dive in here and let's see. That's a good sign. That's not necessarily a good sign. Alright, so it cranks and it tries to start, but it just won't run. Let's see. Alright, so that's what we got. Let's see, 199,450 miles. Oh, there it goes. And there it stops. Maybe it'll go now. Ready? No. Key off. Oh, that didn't help either. Good. Okay. Okay. That's enough of that. So, it does start and run. It sounds, she's pretty sick though. We'll have to figure out what's going on. Yeah. Something's not right. So we'll come out here again. We'll mess with it some more. We'll try to see if we can't get it to do better than that. So, all right, guys. Yeah, y'all come back and we'll see what else we can do with this Camry. I think we're gonna call it the Camborghini. All right, if y'all like the video, hit that button, subscribe, leave a comment. Let me know what I should do with this thing. Should we get it back up, put it back on the road, try to sell it? Maybe we should rice it out, like full body kit, 22-inch wheels, something. Either that or just send it to the crusher. Either way, let me know. Later.